Thank you to the nurses on the front lines.
Thank you to the nurses of long-term care, retirement, and group homes.
Thank you to all the nurses in the skilled nursing facilities who are taking care of our elderly.
Gracias a las enfermeras y enfermeros que trabajan en las unidades de cuidados críticos.
Thank you, certified nursing assistants and personal support workers.
Thank you to the nurses on labor and delivery units for welcoming lives into the world.
Thank you to nurses caring for our mental health population.
Thank you to the nurses in physicians' offices.
Thank you to nurses in all medical facilities.
Thank you to the student nurses preparing for their clinical careers.
Thank you to our home health nurses.
Thank you to nurse educators at our schools.
Thank you to all the nurses serving our military soldiers.
Thank you to nurses in corporate leadership. Et merci aux infirmières du service d'urgence.
Thank you to all the nurses working in hospitals throughout the country.
Thank you to all the nurses who are with loved ones when their family members can't be there in person.
To all nurses, you make a difference and we need you more than ever. With sincere appreciation from the Prevail eNurse team, we thank you.